Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to flip an image on the Google Docs website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, go to the URL section, simply and type Google Docs, hit the enter button, which will take you into this page. From that page, make sure to click add the first link and make sure to avoid any ad or advertisement links. Once you do that, you'll find yourself at this page. From that page, you'll be able to log in into your account or if you already have one by clicking at the sign in option at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, you'll have to click at the sign up for free to create your account. And once you did one of those two options, you will find yourself here at this homepage or this main screen of the Google Docs website. And here you can actually create a blank document, or you can just choose some of their templates right here, which is actually provided by Google Docs and totally free. And of course, you can just go and open some of your recent documents. For me, I'm just going to do that, which is actually empty here. And I'm just going to have a picture. So let me just take a picture maybe of this. Yeah, sure. And come here and paste this for you. Okay, sorry. No, yes, and that will be my picture. So here, simply, if I want to flip my picture, of course, I have a lot of ways. So two ways, you can just go here and click at this. You can go to size alterations, and you can actually do whatever you want with your picture here and rotate it from here. Or you can actually go here to this icon right here, and this will be able or will have let you or give you the option to flip your image however you want. Of course, you can flip it however you want, as we said, and do whatever you want with this image. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.